So we're starting off with 1 box of Betty Crocker Supreme Moist Lemon Box Cake Deluxe. We're going to empty the box cake into our bowl until all of the cake mix is in. All of the ingredients will be linked in the description box below. Alright, so I got the cake flour in first. Now I'm going to put my 1/2 cup of oil in there. Boom. Then I got my 3 eggs. I got my milk, my hemp milk. You can use whatever milk you would like. I'm using hemp milk today because I don't have coconut milk. It's all good. It's all good. It still works. It still does the job. 1 cup of that. And you already know I got to use my vanilla. I already put some in there. Boom, boom. Now I'm going to mix it. So today I'm using my big whisk. Just because I feel like it. I'm going to continue to mix this up and I'll come back when it's done. I think I kind of fucked up already because I think I was just supposed to replace like the milk or something with this Appleton Jamaican rum. But I'm going to put it in anyway to see how it come out. I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of it in there because you already know we making cupcakes. Let's get it. There goes my 1/2 cup of Appleton. I know I'm only putting a 1/2 cup, mainly because I got all of the ingredients in there. I don't want my cake batter to be too loose. All right, so I'm going to take my measuring cup, 1/3 of a cup, and scoop the batter into my cupcake holders. All right, so I'm not going to put the whole thing in there. I might, because I didn't fill the whole thing up anyway. That should be good enough, right? That should be good enough. So these are my cupcakes before they go into the oven. All right, y'all, so my cupcakes are out of the oven. I really want to learn how to not like get this titty at the top of my cupcakes, but as time goes on I will learn. So right now I'm about to put some of the Appleton Jamaican rum on top of my cupcakes and figure out what I'm gonna put on the top because I don't have no frosting. I'm applying the rum while the cupcakes are still hot. I poked some holes inside of the cupcakes, but I apply the rum while the cupcakes are hot because it absorbs it better. I remember when I first made my rum cake, my dad was like, yeah, so I just take the rum and pour it on top of my cake, pop it back in the oven. I started it rolling. I'm like, that should probably taste dumb good, but I made him a rum cake and he bodied it. That joint was fire. It's on my YouTube. It's on my YouTube channel. Go check it out. So this is the end result of our Jamaican rum cupcakes. We put confection sugar on top of the cupcakes once they were done, along with the alcohol holders. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share to our YouTube channel as well as our Instagram. Peace.